Hey guys, welcome to the next section of the course. This one is going to be all about the benefits that come as a cardholder. So when you sign up and get approved for these credit cards, it's not just the points that you're earning. There's also a ton of other benefits. And so we're going to go through what those benefits are and make sure that you don't miss out on any extra value that you can get, because the banks offer a bunch and most people take advantage of a really small percentage of that. So the first part of this section, we're going to actually just talk about your rights as a consumer. The law is stacked big time in your favor, so it's really important, just as a fundamental thing, to understand what your rights are. In the event that you see an unauthorized charge or something like that, you're going to know what exactly you need to do and make sure that it gets resolved in your favor. Then we're going to get into the fun part and talk about these benefits. So there are some benefits that are about physical things that you purchase. So a new camera, a new phone, maybe a computer. Those items are protected. And so there's extended warranty options. There's things that automatically come just when you use your card to make that purchase. And so we're going to get into the details on that. The next category is travel insurance. And so those include things like your flight getting canceled or delayed. That can cover a hotel room if you have to stay because of that type of situation, or maybe your bags get lost or delayed. And so there's cash ready to be put in your pocket if those types of things happen, but you have to ask for them and you have to know that those benefits exist. So we're going to get into that as well. And then lastly, there are a bunch of other miscellaneous benefits that you definitely want to know about. These are things that can make your travel experience better. A lot of them have to do with different airlines or different hotels. So these can be things like priority boarding, priority check-in, drink coupons, lounge access, all kinds of goodies that most of the time you have to request or you have to take some sort of action. So we're going to try and educate you on what those are and make sure you're getting a ton of value out of every single credit card that you have. Thanks a lot. We'll see you there.